Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the watch is on and unlocked. This lets you change sound settings immediately. Open the Settings app on the watch, or open the Watch app on your iPhone if you prefer a larger screen. Once done, look for the bell and crescent icons. These indicate silent and do not disturb. You do this first so subsequent steps take effect where they belong, and you won't chase a setting that's already overridden. Next, activate silent mode to stop ringing sounds, tap the bell icon, and make sure it's filled. Then go to Sounds and Haptics and lower haptic strength so you won't feel constant taps. This is useful if vibration is the issue. Make sure to scroll and customize notifications for apps that still push sounds, because some apps can bypass general settings. By doing this, you control both audible and physical alerts, keeping interruptions minimal while preserving important notifications. Finally, verify focus or do not disturb schedules to ensure no automatic overrides. Check on both watch and iPhone so they're synced. If noise still occurs, restart the watch. Press and hold the side button until you see power options, then restart. Force restart only if frozen. If problems continue, unpair and repair the watch after a backup. This resets software quirks. As a troubleshooting tip,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.